Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can cover your face with the effects on the CapCut application so that you will get your true face is hidden with the animations. So you just need to open the project, tap on the clip, or you just need to go back again and then just tap into the effects. See easily. Now tap into the body effects. The next thing you need to do is just go slide into the left side on these sections right here, and then you just need to tap into the roll, and there will be like a lot of animations here. So if you want to cover your face just easily the same as your face or your reactions, go with this cartoon face, and then you just need to wait until it's applied into your video. Make sure you also applying the effects into the whole clip so that it could be applying into the whole clip that you have here. I'll let to expand it so you can see the result. So you'll see that your true face could be hidden by the cartoon animations on this video. That's for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.